My video guide is about removing the fake Chrome update alerts that come from the website Operatequickmosttheproduct.vip. This is a deceptive site which attacks Google Chrome browser. The website tries to encourage people into downloading and installing some fake Chrome updates. It's a mistake to interact with these fake Chrome updates. Because they actually try to make you download and install some unwanted browser extensions that may change some crucial browser settings. In other words, these fake Chrome update alerts promote installation of adware or some browser hijackers. For instance, if the extension that is promoted through these fake updates works as hijacker, it may change your default homepage and default search engine. You need to be very careful not to install any of such fake Chrome updates. In case any third-party extensions were installed, access the menu, go to More Tools, Extensions, then disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them. To make sure that your computer is free of any other threats, I would recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.